Welcome, today I'll show you how to change icon shape into a REALME C35. Firstly, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Then need choose from the list your application, maybe YouTube, for example, and from the library choose your icon. Maybe here like this, like I. Okay, so for saving this icon need to press in the top right corner OK button and wait a second for generating icon, and then need close ads, maybe a few times. And now press add automatically, and we got success message, so go to our home screen, and here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.